Why it's not getting triggered? Okay. This one has not been enabled. Delete deducted accounts. Okay. It should be enabled. Let me try this time. Okay. Okay. Now here's something is updated. Accounts link deleted. Something. Some account has been deleted in the back end. Now go to that identity. Click on the refresh. Now the time has been changed. Open that identity. Now you'll come to know clearly. Trigger snapshot has been generated for this identity. From here to here. Previously it was not there. Now, as part of the account aggregation, some trigger snapshot has been generated. So here the attribute change is there. For this identity, because some from this one happen right. But inactive false to true. So it's been there. And this entry key native change reduction also is there. Here you can clearly check what other changes has been made to that identity. Here you can check. The operation will be there. Operation is delete, which means someone has already deleted in the back end. If it is addition, it will be their addition. If someone is going to add some groups, remove some groups, operation will be modified. So someone directly deleted that account. So that's what here. Operation clearly mentioned. So CN value is in. Every value will be there. If you want, you can capture this entry key from here to here. So what is the impact on the identity cube and the identity? This pin is out of sync. What's going to happen with it? It will be. It will still remain there because the link is broken with Active Directory application, right? Yeah. So someone has deleted the account in that end system. Active Directory, is someone deleted? Via aggregation? Now Sailpoint came to know. Okay, some changes has been made in that identity. So trigger snapshot has been generated. If you want, if you are going to this identity cube still, account will be active only. But it will not show the Active Directory here, right? Yeah. In the applications. It will not be here. Now his manager has to take some action on that. Whether he is going to retain his account or the removal is fine. He has to pay. So did we add that event there? Yeah. For the manager, this is the default workflow. So this is the default workflow. We didn't configure anything. If you want, I'll open that workflow and I'll walk you through. I'll walk through. Okay. So first I'll trigger this event. So now, after that, what will happen? We'll check. So some trigger snapshot has been generated. Let me make a note here. If something goes wrong, so that I can no need to delete any. I won't be able to delete again, right? Because since the account is not present, so what I can do if something goes wrong, I can copy-paste the trigger snapshot again, and I can trigger the event. Okay, so let me refresh identity. Let me refresh this identity. So go to Setup Task. I'll refresh for all identity queues, all identities. Now the trigger snapshot. It won't be there. So you mean, after refreshing identity, the snapshot gets cleared, is it? Yeah, trigger snapshot will get cleared and event will be generated. Okay, so before refresh identities, when we do the aggregation we'll see the snapshots. When we do the refresh task, snapshot will be cleared. Yeah. Okay. So after refresh identities, it's difficult to get the detail. What was the event? Now, here you can check, one event has been processed. Let's talk about that later. One event. Now go to the same refresh. So that time will be changed 843 by 847. Open that identity. Now there is no trigger snapshot. It's been removed. So better always take a backup of the trigger snapshot. If anything goes wrong, you can replace the trigger snapshot and you can refresh again. Yeah, can we go to the same identity? Can we go to the events, please? The history or something. I want to see that. Does it capture everything for audit? Okay. And what it shows in history, please. In History tab. Yeah. History is something else. So events, it won't print. Okay. It's related to certification. It will be printed over here. These activities you can find under this one only event. Staff. So here you can check native change detection. Somebody changes for this. Some groups has been removed and some deletion also happened for this identity. So this is what clearly mentioned. So these are the things captured from that trigger snapshot. Now you can check some native change detection or still some workflow has been triggered. Can go to task. Go to task results. Open that native change detection. Still it's pending because it's sent to Sarah Berry for approval. For native change detection, he's the manager. Now I have to take some action, right? So, which means some work item has been generated and it's been forwarded to Sarah Berry. The interaction. Interaction means it's pending for approval. Now his manager has to take some action on that. Whether she's going to approve or deny. Approve means the phone removal will be the same. Okay, that's fine. If he's going to deny this, something will happen.